So this is our 3-year review, and I just want you to take a look at our van.
The seat organizer is by Overland Gear Guy. The chairs still swivel with the organizer full. These felt crates keep items from falling out after traveling. The table is used almost every day. It's great for editing my videos. All the gauges are conveniently located at eye height. The shower is small, but it's very usable. But we have to keep in mind that the gray tank is only 21 gallons. 5-gallon caddy for our black water is good, usually for 3 to 4 days. The comfort of our mattress really improved when we added a 2-inch topper mattress. It's from Mattress Insider called Top Notch. After many iterations of blankets, we have decided on the double puffy camping quilt, and it's from Get Out Gear. After much trial and error with pots and pans, we have ended up with the Magma induction nesting set, and are very, very pleased with them. $110 receptacles plus a plug for additional solar panels. This is water hookup. After 3 years, we're still really happy with the 5-gallon caddy. I still use plastic gloves and disinfectant soap afterwards. The 30-amp locking connector. The blue hose is a hot and cold water line. It's great for outdoor showers, and especially if you have a dog. We clean our awning with fantastic spray with bleach. And Kathleen, do you still like the van after 3 years?
After 3 years? I have fallen in love with the van after 3 years. It's great.
And there you have it. We love our van. We love our Revel.